Today I'm going to show you the 9 best automation tools that I use on my automation agency to build systems for the biggest companies in the world that you should have on your business right now. Let's get started. Okay, so let's go for the first automation tool that you need to have on your business right now. Okay, so the first one is make.com. Is definitely my favorite one. Is the one that I use the most here with my clients because it gives you a lot of different possibilities in terms of everything that you can do with automation. So here you can connect with many different tools and apps across the market, so you can integrate all your workflow and build your automations. And like the thing that I like the most about Make is how easy it is to build the automation here. So you can, of course, select one tool. You can, for every new tool, you have a bunch of different endpoints and different actions that you can make. So let's select this one, and then you can easily connect to other applications for any other tool that you are using. So then, of course, you can keep building and adding different modules here, so you can build really complete and complex automations. So this is just one example that I have here. This is one automation that I've built for one of my clients. Anyways, of course, this is very complex, but this is just to show you the potential of using Make has on your processes, so you can really build complex automations to, of course, to kind of cut all the manual work that you are doing right now on your business. The second tool is, I think, the most common and known automation tools on the market right now. It's Zapier. I think it was among the first automation to no-code automation tools that you could use very easily on your business. So again, it has the same concept of Make, but it's simpler. Okay, so you can, of course, come here and connect different apps, so you can integrate and build workflows, build automations. You probably have more directly connections with more apps than Make, but it's a little bit more simple than Make. So you can build a lot of different workflows, a lot of different automations, but it's not gonna be the best tool to build complex automation, just do the one that I just showed you on Make. But it's a great tool to get started on automation. So if you haven't done any kind of automation, any kind of system, this is the tool to get started, okay? Because this is a lot easier and simpler for you to just build, just connect 2 apps and start from there. Okay. The third automation tool that you need to know and you need to start using, it's N10. N10 is very similar to Make, and it's very similar to Zapier. It has the same concept, so you can connect different tools, different apps to streamline your workflow. It has a structure more similar to Make than to Zapier, because you can build more complex automations using N10, connecting a lot of different apps, a lot of different tools, perhaps less apps and less tools than, let's say, Make and Zapier. But anyways, it's a very powerful tool, especially if you are building the automation to work on the back end of an app or of a more complex platform. Okay, so N10, a very powerful automation tools that you need to start using right now. The fourth automation tool that you need to know is Browse AI. This is very different from the first 3 ones that I just showed you. And this actually is another one that I use a lot here with the automation that I built for my clients. So Browse AI is a tool to extract and scrape data from the internet. So you can basically create your own robot. They're gonna log into any website or access any website and extract data from almost any website. So it's great to not only extract data, but also to monitor data changes. So with this tool, you can streamline a lot of manual processes and also a lot of data collection from one source and moving to another one. So this is a very, very powerful automation tools, and it's very easy to build your own robot here. So you can select extract structured data, and you just enter the website that you want to extract the data from, and then that's the magic is going to happen. That robot is going to run for you, extracting the data. And the best thing, and that's the thing that I like the most, you can combine, for example, Browse AI with Make.com, for example. So you can build even more powerful automation systems for your business. The next tool is Axiom. Axiom is another tool that I use a lot here, and it's similar to Browse AI, but has more capabilities. So Browse AI, as I mentioned, is a great tool to extract data. With Axiom, you can also extract data, but you can do a little bit more with the scripts that you can build here. So basically with Axiom, you can build scripts without needing to know about Python, for example. So it's a no-code scripts builder. So you can record a lot of different actions that you have to take on a certain website, for example. It's a Chrome extension that you enter the website that you want to interact with, and of course then you have a lot of different actions and steps that you're going to train that robot to go into do it. So you can select, for example, click an element, enter text, select a value from a list, press any key on the keyboard, wait a little bit, roll over element. So you can really simulate a human behavior on a certain website or a certain platform. You can use Axiom to do that. So again, combining everything, you can really build some powerful automation for your business. The next on the list is Textile. Textile is a tool for you to automate a lot of the social media and the most well-known platforms that you are using. So you can build recipes, which is called here on inside Textile, to extract data, to do certain tasks for you. So for example, if you want to extract followers on LinkedIn, if you want to send an automatic message on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Instagram, it's a great tool to do that. So it has a lot of built-in recipes, and you can build a workflow combining different recipes here. You can't build anything from scratch, but again, it has a lot of pre-built capabilities with a lot of very useful tools. So as I mentioned, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Google Maps, for example, you can extract Google Maps businesses. You can extract members of a Facebook group, of a Slack community. So it's a very powerful tool, again, that you can also combine with the other ones that we just talked about. Okay, so you can easily build a recipe combining different, what they call spices, which is the different tasks on a certain automation. So you can combine, you select the two, then you select the action that you want to take, and you go and start building your workflow. Again, very powerful tool that you should take advantage of. The next one is Axomatic. Axomatic is very similar to Textile. So it works with pre-built recipes, but it has more capabilities in terms of AI. So here you can select, you have all the options and all the tasks here that you can choose to build your workflow. So for example, email address validation, you want to crop images, take screenshots, scrape emails, files. So you can do a lot of stuff here with a lot of different actions, but also it has integrations with tools like Google Maps, Google Sheets, Google Drive, so you can combine with the tool that you are currently using. And of course, it also has integration with tools like Make that you can put together on your automation, so you can make it even more powerful. It is a great tool. You should really give it a try. They have a free trial as well. I think almost all the tools that I'm showing here have free trials, so you can really test it yourself, so you can select the best one for your business. This next one is Bannerbear. This is a great tool if you are building a lot of marketing visuals and marketing materials for your business. So this is an API that you can connect with your automation to generate marketing visuals and images using, of course, AI. So you can, of course, connect directly to the API, even using tools like Make, or you can even connect to Zapier and integrate with your automation to generate your marketing visuals here. On the website, you can really, you can also see a quick demo about the type of images that you can generate with its tool. So it's really powerful. Of course, it's using AI, so you can scale your marketing material development. So that's definitely gonna help you streamline your processes, cut a lot of the workload that I know I've been there, those marketing activities can take off your time and your team's time as well. Okay, last but not least is Eden AI. This is a little bit more complex. This, of course, is using APIs, so you can connect with, again, a lot of the different tools that we have been showing here, and it's using the power of AI technologies to help you streamline your workflow. So it kind of combines different AI platforms like OpenAI, Google Cloud, Watson, and many others to finish a lot of different actions here. So you can generate images, you can translate text, you can generate text and content, copy, you can generate images, videos, you can parse documents, and this is really powerful, okay? And also you can get the data, get the content from a speech, from a voice note, okay? So this is really powerful. And again, combining with everything else that we have been showing here, all the other tools, you can really build powerful automations for your business. So check it out. It's in AI. It's a very new tool on the market. I've been using for some use cases here with my clients, and it's really powerful. Okay, hope you like it. The 9 best automation tools that you should have in your business right now. Comment down below the tool that you're already using or the tool that you're going to start using today. Hope it's helpful. If you really want to know how to build automations for your business, click on the link down below where I have a free guide to help you build your first automations. Thank you.